Preyo Phonie here. In this quick Android guide, I'll show you how to enable the Always Ask SIM option for phone calls step by step. Using 2 SIM cards on your Android phone, want your device to ask which SIM to use every time you make a call? Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device, then scroll down and tap SIM and Network Settings. Step 2. Now look for the Calling or Default Call Settings option. Tap it to manage your SIM calling preferences. Step 3. Press on Call option or Preferred SIM for calls. Here you'll see available SIM selection settings. Step 4. Select Always Ask from the list of options. This will enable the SIM selection pop-up during calls. Before we continue, subscribe now for more simple Android settings and smartphone tips every week. Step 5. Now open your dialer and make a phone call. Your phone will instantly ask which SIM you want to use. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more quick and practical Android tutorials.